I'm gonna show you guys in this video how I fixed this 2017 Subaru Impreza Sport. I'm driving it right now. Drives totally fine. Just has the airbag light on. Just got a little bit of some scratches in this. I think it should be a pretty good deal, pretty easy repair. This is it. Side is fine, back fine, but here there's a little bit of some deep scratches. Oh shit, watch out those glasses, boys. What I'm gonna do, try to pull a little bit with the frame machine, so I'm gonna be able to open this door. One is open but it's a little bit still stuck. The part of the rocker pillar, probably should screw it on there. I'm gonna fix this fender. Bumper is gonna be for replaced. 100,000 miles. That sound is those rubbers that hold the swipe bar. This is my donor car. I'm gonna take it out, everything. This is gonna be just a pull out. Need to take out these, the big ones, all the small ones to the rocker. Car will go nowhere. I'm gonna put the new roof airbag. Try to line up a little bit the tool holders because those ones got a little bit bent. These little tabs, clamps, they go in there and they go, this clamp goes stuck on there. And when there is bent, this ones come out kind of easily. Disconnect the battery just in case. With no power, shouldn't be a problem. Everybody in my face, huh? Putting this, you just have to go and boom. This panel, you guys can see, trying to make line up with the both doors. Front door is already good, so I'm dealing a little bit with that. The way I do it, I measure on the other car, then I should check it out with this point, with this second one. This steel is really tough. When I pull it out here, that section of the roof got all wavy. When it's just released, it goes away. Look at this. God damn. So wavy. This whole panel, I'm gonna put it there, there, and there. Finish the line up. I took it off the fender because it was fine, the fender, and on here was no damage. I took 3 points to make sure everything is online. This screw right here with the fender, this screw right here is all even. This rear curve over here between the door and the quarter, all even, all even. You can then match out the gap. Maybe it looks a little bit close, but I can move the door a little bit. I can move the fender. On here is not perfect, it's still touching, but you know, I can regulate from the hinges. I just put the door myself, so I'm still counting also that I don't have the other panel that will add something on there. It's a little, but it's not the same. And of course on here, and then you have to put the seal, the rubber all around. So, but if your door closed like this, and the rear one, if your rear door closed like this, boom, that's it, you know. it's already on there. What I'm doing now is just line up everything. Receiver, door hitch. I cut one part from this one and I put it as a base over here so I can weld on there. I just hold it with some screws and I will remove them. Shoes on there. On here we are good. I just need to line up a little bit better. On here the same. So everything looks good. I did already some progress. It's been primed. I need to block all 320, cut those lines, prep all this area. Then 500 all around, 800, do a blending on the quarter to remove this molding. On the glass I have enough space. Need to remove this one and then leave everything set to paint this. The outside of the door, fender, bumper, rocker cover, and then should start to assemble it all. With clear coat. Starting to mask. Keep it working. It's already all lined up. It closed as should be. Rear one. It's all regulated, it's all online. So what I'm gonna do now, put fender liner, headlight, bracket, front bumper assembly, leave everything ready on there, assemble this part of the headliner, put this inner panel, make sure this works. I'm still awaiting the rear view mirror on this front door. I'm gonna start to clean it up, the inner part. I took everything apart. The hood a little bit more. This side of the liner back. So I'm cleaning the floor mats, I'm taking all the dog hair. There's a bunch of it. So I'm gonna put the floor mat on there. I like to remove all the air, fence, you know, grills, stickers, all the molding plastic that are used with clip, and wash it them outside, you know, remove everything. You know, you don't have any smell on this. I have already the floor on there. Way cleaner. All here was all with rest of coffee. And so I'm gonna start to put back all together all the side part and the seats and everything. We're gonna start with this side, the center console, the panels on the sides. This one, I'm still with the seat belt on this one. Put this molding on there, then put the mirror, clean it up, and it's good to go. Do it exactly as it will be, you know, the holes were all not on the same line. I should decide to put it on there. It goes attached, glue it in a little bit. Alright guys, I already put the mirror, everything is done on the body. Just I'm gonna change this swipe bar link. I think it's making a sound. I'm not sure if it is broken. Just need to attach on there, I'm gonna take it. Looks like this, but this one is not the right. I'm gonna take it out one from another car and see if the sounds go away. This video showing the final results. The problem actually was CV joint. Should replace the whole CV axle. I'm putting back everything together. Over tie rod, lower control arm, caliper, you know, ABS sensor. Here we are. I'm gonna show you final results. Rendering here the parking lot. Team drives okay. Okay. This is the side we fixed it. Thing came up pretty good, pretty decent. All the gap, they are good. Everything is lined up as should be. We're talking about the car. You know, you guys can check it out the value. So I think we did a pretty decent job. Let me know what do you think about this hair. I'm gonna try to keep posting some videos. I do have all other cars besides this one. It's not my mainly occupation, so it's a side hustle, you know. I would like to keep doing now in future. If you like the video, if you like the process, if you have any comment to do, and I'm gonna take a look. Thank you for watching.